the icing on top of a bun. B are for bats that swoop out of the air and squeaking inaudibly, catching one's hair. C is for cord of a moderate length. To hang oneself with it requires no great strength. E, F, G, H, I